Obafemi Awolowo Station is located close to Moniya area in Ibadan. Our aim is to join the first train which leaves by 7 a.m. So our journey begins now. From here, we are taking a taxi to Moniya. The fare varies depending on the pickup point. Moniya is located at Akintola local government of Ibadan. It is close to Ojo, Akingbile, among others.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be.
Right and green.
Like others, on our arrival, we had to sit and wait till the officials call for purchase of tickets. At the station, there are people offering different services, including food, transport, porter, POS services, and more. When officials announce the availability of tickets, travelers are seen on queue at the ticket point where they complete their transaction. On the ticket, the seat number is specified for each traveler. After this process, everyone waits till the officials begin to invite them into the train. From Ibadan, the train makes its first stop at Ladoke Akintola, Omi Adio, to admit new passengers. It makes another stop at Wole Soyinka Station at Abeokuta and final stop, Mobolaji Johnson Station, Lagos.
Our first stop is at Ladoke Akintola Station, Omi Adio.
So here we are at Wole Soyinka Station, Abeokuta. Thank you for riding with us.